think me not jealous of me see my brethren. Boy, when me and him used to look, be a nice girl. The woman big when she come out of the car level off so. And the man look at me and say, I idiot. A 2-bedroom she give me in a bathroom at Jamaica and a markets. Me a human being, me have ambition. The whole of we are opportunists. Everybody in the world are opportunists. Everybody want better. I hears me a try with sexy girl. You know it feels if you have 2 sexy girl in your house and breast stiff so. And when you check it, my wallet alone I spend. I could have 1 big fat woman who make 4 of them. I ain't no cost me nothing. The man wise me up on the air. The man says, stop look the sexy girl them brother. Stop them. Them not have nothing. Them a burden. Them a burden. Them a burden. I want to know. I be a sexy woman me take. I can't switch now. Give the fatty them some love, man. Yeah, I mean real love to touch them, make them push them tongue in my ears. If she have false teeth, she take it out and suck out my tongue. Give me all a icky with the gum. If a woman ever give all a icky with the gum them, I really love that, you know. When she lay alongside of you, you know, I may suck out her tongue because she can't bite me. Because she don't have no teeth. And she have her money. Yeah, I may take care of her. I wipe her down, I may have the wipes them. And when me done and she come, I wipe out the pum pum. Lord God, she take care of her. Yes, when you wipe her, because when them come here, so them come enough. All 1 gallon. I have something for wipe her up. You see me? I wipe her out, hey, wipe her down and bathe her. Cause she can, hey, you see, if you have a fatty, remember them hand little, them hand can't reach under them back. When me done bathe all the fatty, they scrub her back. She asks me, say, if you want quartz. Cause me a rub out her back. All the black them round there, me a catch it round there and rub her down with my big trunk self. All them things that make she, me just a rub her down. So when she done and she lay down, I in a little t-shirt, me have to buy a double X t-shirt. And she lay down there, the pum pum last, no, cause you know her belly cover the pum pum. Me I lift up the pump, me I lift up the belly and grab the pum pum, you see. Lord of his mercy. Which, hey, slim girl, I don't have nothing over them. I don't think I don't look good. I want to turn me on. But God know me I go find the pill where make me love fatty. Me I go find that pill there. Yeah, if you shower and clean up a fatty man, you're good man. Fatty no, you know fatty you know have to jump on her 2 chain. You know have to give a fatty no 2 3 round. No, the man say you know have to do that 1 time a week, 2 times a week and she love you. My God Almighty, then I when me did I do with woman in my house. All 5 times for the week and 2 times a night. No man, that man say you have to do them thing there. Fatty easy if you tired. You walk with fatty in a mall and by you come back asleep, she asleep.